In our previous video, we covered the string method split. In this video, we are going to cover the string method join. With string.join, you can go ahead and build a list and concatenate them together. So let's dive right into this. So as you can see in the previous episode, we have a string, and then we separated that into lists by using name.split. If we run our learning.py one, then it returns a list. Each item here is a list. Now, I want to go ahead and join these by a space. So in order to do that, all you have to do is quotation marks and then enter what you want to separate the list item by. And here I just typed a space, dot join, and then your string dot split. So then we could separate it once more. So this should separate each item by a space. Let's go ahead and run this and test it out. As you can see, we now have John, Jacob, Jingleheimer, Smith all together without all of the extra spaces. We didn't want those extra spaces, right? That was the reason why we split it in the first place, and now we're joining it all back together with this space. So you can actually go ahead and do a hashtag, so you can join them by a hashtag, but we don't want that. You could join them by underscores. So John underscore Jacob, etc. So we're gonna go ahead and jump back into our main Hello World project that we were working on. And for this one, when we run this, we still have the problem of the extra spacing between the first and last name, right? So it says hello row space 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 G. We don't want that. Therefore, we can go ahead and fix that by using the join string method that we just learned just now. So I'm going to say name equals quotation marks space, and then enter the spacing in there, dot join, and then name dot split. So now if we run this, we can go ahead and enter however many spaces we want, and then it will return only one space between our name. So that's pretty much it for the join function. If this was at all helpful to you, or you enjoyed watching me learn a little bit more on the string functions of Python, then go ahead and leave a like, a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to follow me on my Python learning journey. So yeah, before we end the video, what are you working on right now? What are your personal projects that you're working on? With that, I'll go ahead and leave you to doing your projects. 안녕, ciao, salut, and 再见.